Hey everyone! If you're just starting out and wondering how to break into the field of cybersecurity in 2025, you're in the right place. The landscape is evolving fast, but that also means opportunities are exploding like never before. Let's kick it off with a reality check. Cybersecurity isn't just for hackers in hoodies or genius coders. Companies are hiring people from all kinds of backgrounds: teachers, gamers, retail workers, even musicians. Why? Because the skills you already have, problem solving, communication, and curiosity, are gold in this field. First things first, get the basics down. Start with understanding how the internet works, what IP addresses are, and what firewalls do. Platforms like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, and even YouTube tutorials can walk you through the fundamentals, and many of them are totally free. Think of it like learning to drive before getting into a race car. If this will be your first job in cybersecurity, aim to pass the Certified in Cybersecurity (CC) exam. It's a free, entry-level certification that covers the basics and can really boost your resume. Once you've passed, make sure to add it to your CV. Speaking of CVs, make yours strong and structured. Include a technical skills section to list your tools and technologies, an education section for your academic background, a bio section with a short professional summary, a certification section, and an achievements section that highlights standout projects or contributions. Tailor it to showcase your potential. Next, focus on LinkedIn. Having a strong LinkedIn presence is crucial. Post daily about what you're learning, short tips, project updates, or reflections on cybersecurity news. Start connecting with professionals in the field. As you build your network, LinkedIn will start suggesting more people in cybersecurity, making it easier to grow your connections. When you apply for jobs, don't just hit submit and hope for the best. Take the extra step to send a direct message or email to the recruiter. Introduce yourself, mention your application, and express your enthusiasm for the role. This proactive approach can set you apart in a crowded job market. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive into the most important elements that should be in your CV, depending on the role you're targeting, like SOC Analyst, DFIR, Threat Hunting, Penetration Tester, Application Security Tester, GRC roles, and more. Each path has unique expectations, and we'll break them down for you step by step. Finally, keep learning. Cybersecurity changes daily, and staying up to date will set you apart. Follow blogs, listen to podcasts, and subscribe to threat intelligence feeds. Be the kind of person who's genuinely curious about how things work and how they break. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time!